Hi, I'm Danny Boy Sanico Jr., a third year geodetic engineering student. I work with mapping, surveying, and geospatial analysis, not just collecting data, but turning it into tools that solve real world problems. I've done projects in topographic and cadastral mapping, drone surveys, and GIS analysis. I use GNSS receiver, total station, UAVs, and mapping software like ArcGIS and QGIS to get the job done right. Whether it's helping with land boundaries, supporting infrastructure, or improving spatial data, I focus on accuracy and real result. I've also learned the value of teamwork and staying updated with new tech and best practices. As the world relies more on data, geodetic engineers like me are the key building smarter, more connected places. I'm excited to grow, face new challenges, and help to shape the future one map at a time. I believe every place has a story, and I'm here to help tell it with precision. I'm Danny Boy Sanico Jr., and I turn geography into opportunity.